friends, welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing with you a simple green, eye makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. So to start off with, I'm going to use the Kiehl's Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So I'm going to use this as my moisturizer, taking a little bit of an amount and rubbing it between my palms. I'm going to place this on my face. Now, why I prefer a water-based moisturizer? Because I have an oily skin. So sometimes it turns out to be combination and sometimes it turns completely oily. So, it's a big problem for me because my pores get clogged because of all the other, oils and the things that the moisturizers have, the oil content. So that doesn't go well with me. So that is the reason I like to use water-based moisturizers. So we're done with this. So moving on to the foundation, I'm going to use a NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Classic Tan. So taking that at the back of my hand, I'm just taking about a pump or so and I'm going to use my fingers to just place the foundation on my face. So this doesn't dry out that quickly, but it is still matte. So that's why I'm applying it with my fingers a bit. Next, taking a beauty blender, I'm going to just blend it into my skin. So let's get on to that. Next, I'm going to take the powder from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder foundation in the shade Neutral Buff, and taking a powder brush, I'm taking this from Real Techniques in 201. This is the powder brush, and dipping it here, I'm going to apply it all over my face and set the foundation. Okay, alright. So next I am going to bronze my face a bit, and for that I'm using the Profusion Blush and Bronze palette, which has 9 colors in it. I'm going to use this shade for my bronzer. So taking this brush from Real Techniques, that is 206 contour brush, I'm going to just put my brush into the medium bronzer shade and look in the mirror, pout and just contour, just apply a little bit of the bronzer to it. If you want, you can take it up to the temple and your forehead a bit to give it the dimension that it needs. And for the people who have double chin, they can use the bronzer shade right below here to just diminish the look of your double chin. Taking the brush RT in 305, I'm going to use the Instapop shade brush for contouring my nose. So let's do that. So I'm done with my contouring. Next, adding a blush to my face, I'm going to use the shade Bloom from the same palette and apply it to my cheek, to my apple of my cheek. Next, moving on to the eyes. Now for the eyes, I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm going to use the Studio West Neon Wing Kit liner in NE03, which is this beautiful, gorgeous, dark greenish color. Look in the mirror and just always draw small strokes whenever you're doing the eyeliner. I usually start from here and then extend it. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of the wing here. So I'm taking the line that goes from my lower lash line to this area I'm extending that and then pulling my liner from here to the top, lash line. So I'm done with my liner. Next, let's get onto the brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. So I'm taking a angled brow brush and going in with the darker shade, with this shade. I am going to gently line my brows. Since we are not doing a very heavy look, I am just going to use this powder to fill a little bit of my brows. So my brows are also done. Next, using a mascara, and I'm going to use a mascara from Smashbox as a Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. So remove the excess from the tip and then just look in the mirror and wiggle your mascara wand to just apply the mascara onto every lash of yours. So this mascara wand, what it does is it separates all your lashes and applies mascara to them to give out a beautiful fanned out look. So for the lower lash line, as I was telling you, I am going to just scrape off all the excess mascara on my wand and taking a mirror right here. What I'll do is I'll only use the mascara on the middle of my lower lash line. Doing the same on the other side. So yeah, this is how my eye looks after putting on the mascara. Since this is a very simple look, I'm going to keep my eyes just like that. If you have mascara on your eyelid, then what you can do is wait till it dries and then just buff it out. You can also use a spoolie and then brush it out so that it's clean enough. Next, using the lipstick, coming to the lipstick, that is the almost the last step. I am going to use this lipstick from Huda Beauty in Demi Matte Shekha. And for the last step, I am going to use the highlighter from the same palette, the Profusion palette, in the shade Elated. And I'm going to take a setting brush, which I love for highlighting. So I'll take the shade Elated and just apply it to the higher points of my face. I don't want to highlight too much, so I want a little bit of that highlight. Yeah, that's enough. So I'm done with the look. I hope you guys liked the look. If you did, do not forget to like this video, comment down below and share this with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates on time. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. so do not forget to watch all of my videos. This is me signing off. Bye.